Hey everyone, welcome to 428 South Williams Avenue here in Sioux Falls. We're at a prime location. We're close to the zoo, close to Garfield School if you got littles, and we're 5 minutes from downtown. Check it out. We have this open floor plan, perfect for a dining room table, and it flows right into the kitchen. We've got beautiful countertops, put the bar stools here, and hey, look at the espresso cabinetry and the colors on the wall. It's just flows all together. It's beautiful. We've got new Samsung stainless steel appliances, and I'm going to show you the living room and the 2 bedrooms. Let's go. Okay, so once you're coming out of the kitchen, you're going to flow right here to this living room, and check out this unique window. You don't see this in many homes, but it is definitely a focal point. So as you see here, we've got a very spacious bedroom, we've got double closet doors, and we've got perfect natural lighting that leads right out into that huge backyard. Now we're gonna go look at the primary suite. Okay, so as we come into this primary suite, you're gonna see we have more space than that guest bedroom. Again, we've got the double closet door here, and the cool thing is you have access right into this shared bathroom. Hello! So we've got an oversized bathroom here, got tons of walking room, and we got a full bath. And right out here, this is where you're gonna store all those guest towels. Okay, 1,080 finished square feet in here, and we're gonna go check out downstairs. It is unfinished, but there's so many options for that equity in your home. Whether you wanna have a massive game room, whether you wanna add 2 bedrooms and a bathroom because there's plumbing down there, or maybe you want just 1 bedroom, a bathroom, and an oversized living room for that theater. Let's go check it out. So as I was saying upstairs, the options for this basement are endless. There's so many different things. When you look at this space down here, this huge space, what's your vision? I wanna know, are we gonna have 2 bedrooms, 1 bedroom, a huge family room for those movies? And conveniently, for those gentlemen who maybe need their own space, we have a convenient 2-stall garage outside. The coolest thing about these homes, there's 2. We have 428 Williams and 430 Williams. It's a twin home, convenient location, and affordable housing. So reach out directly to Century 21 Advantage or David Shelton at 605-906-8976 to see how you qualify for this home. And let's get you in here by the Super Bowl, because that countertop up there, there's like 30 different appetizers I'm already thinking about. Thanks, guys.